Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to connect Blum wallet with Tonkeeper. So make sure you have installed Telegram as well as the Tonkeeper or any of the Ton wallet in your mobile application. Now this is a Blum, so you have to just go to Telegram, search for Blum here. Now just go and click on start. After that, just go and click on launch Blum. Now here we will just start this up. Now it will just open in our Telegram, so just wait here. Now here it will ask you to add a nickname. So let's say I'll just add here my nickname here, and that's invalid. User must be at least 5 character. Okay, so let's I will just add here 5 characters and some. Okay, so basically this is a username, right? So you have to make it unique. Now once we're here, so check in, and this is just my first time, so I will able to give you a complete tutorial here. Now once you're here, you can just go and click on start farming, right? But if you want to connect your wallet, just go to the wallet section. Now go and click on connect wallet. Now here you can connect your wallet, that is a Tonkeeper, Ton wallet, Ton Herb D wallet, and also Telegram wallet. So I will just go and connect my Ton wallet. Now Ton wallet application is already installed, as you can see here. Now I will just go and click on connect. Right now I will enter the passcode here. So let's say I will just add here passcode, right? And as you can see here, it will start connecting and it has been connected, right? So this is really easy how you can connect your Ton wallet or Ton keeper into your Blum. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe.